along St. Lawrence River. Officially there are 997 islands, but including all the shoals and rocks, it comes to 1,867. Thousand Islands International Bridge connects the two neighboring countries since 1938. 1000 Islands Tower was opened in 1965. From here, St. Lawrence River runs about 1,000 kilometers to the Gulf before reaching the Atlantic. This is the perfect spot to get a bird's eye view of the surroundings from 130 meters high. The third and fully opened deck offers a 65 kilometers view in all directions on a sunny day.